Class 7. So now we are starting the moral science chapter 7, determination. Determination is a very great quality to succeed in whatever task you take. आप you must have determination. जो भी काम करोगे उसमें determination होना चाहिए. This means that you must keep up your mind to achieve your aim no matter how many difficulties you may have to face. क्या पता कितना difficulties face करना पड़े, लेकिन you must be determined. I came, I saw, I conquered were famous words of Julius Caesar. So this was the words of Julius Caesar, and they clearly show what a determined person he was. It was only because of his strong determination that he won the battle after battle and finally became the emperor of Rome. अपने determination की वजह से Julius Caesar बहुत सारे battles जीत पाए और ultimately वो हो पाए emperor of Rome. Now the marvels of the electricity, telegraphy, telephones, aeroplanes, rockets and spacecraft, they were created by such persons who were determined to succeed and overcome all the difficulties that rose in their pursuits. तो ये सारे चीज जो सारे लोग ये इसको डिस्कवर किए वो सभी डिटरमाइंड थे इसीलिए ये लोग डिस्कवर कर पाए इतने सारे चीज. बाल गंगाधर तिलक, one of the great leaders of the India's freedom struggle, they stands out for this unique quality of determination, and Tilak was a man of such great quality. So Tilak भी एक person था जो कि determined थे. That Mahatma Gandhi called him a giant among men. महात्मा गांधी बाल गंगाधर तिलक को giant among men बोलते थे. He was called लोकमान्य, that is deserving the respect of the people. तो लोग उसको बहुत ही respect करते थे, इसीलिए उसको बोलते थे लोकमान्य. This great man came from a simple and humble family. He was the son of a primary school teacher, yet he lived to become one of the great leaders of India. उसके पापा एक primary school teacher थे, लेकिन वो एक great leader बन गए थे इंडिया के. And Tilak was a man of great courage, determination, selflessness and patriotism. He devoted his life to the betterment of his country. अपना life दे दिया country के betterment के लिए. One day बाल गंगाधर Tilak's father was reading the passages from the Kadambari, and Tilak, who was playing in the room, asked his father about for the book. तो तिलक घर में खेल रहे थे और उसके पापा कादम्बरी से पढ़ रहे थे. तो अचानक तिलक पूछे उस बुक के बारे में. His father thought the book was too difficult for his son to understand, but he did not want to discourage him. उसके पापा को लगे कि ये उसके उम्र के लिए बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट बुक है, लेकिन उसको डिस्करेज भी नहीं किया उसके पापा. He told the young Tilak that he could have the book provided he solved a difficult sum he would give him. तो बोले ठीक है, हम एक difficult sum तुमको दे रहे हैं, अगर वो तुम complete कर सकोगे तभी तुमको ये book हम देंगे. So great was Gangadhar Tilak's determination to get the book that he struggled for 2 hours to solve the problem. 2 घंटे से लड़े उस sum के लिए और ultimately 2 घंटे बाद उसको solve किए. He only stopped after he had finally solved the sum. His father was amazed at his sons and gladly gave him the book to read. तो ultimately book दे दिए पढ़ने के लिए. Nothing is impossible. Napoleon said the word impossible is found in the dictionary of fools. Napoleon ने बोले सिर्फ जो fool people है, जो जिसके पास ये impossible बोल के जो word है वो उन लोगों के डिक्शनरी में है. जो courageous है उन लोगों के डिक्शनरी में impossible बोल के कुछ भी चीज नहीं है. Make up your mind to do things and you will surely achieve what you are striving for. If you are determined to succeed from the very beginning, nothing and no one can stop you. Determination should not be confused with stubbornness. So determination must not be confused, and it is not good to be stubborn. A stubborn person is one who has fixed rigid ideas and who does not listen to the reason. जो कि reason के बारे में सुनते नहीं है. Stubborn people do not think of other people's point of view and they insist on doing whatever they want even when they know that they are wrong. तो जो भी चीज चाहते हैं वही चीज वो लोग insist करते करने के लिए, ये पता होते भी कि वो लोग गलत है. Determined person on the other hand are those who decided to follow a certain path they know to be right and continue to strive until the goal is reached. जब तक वो गोल तक नहीं पहुंचते determined person तब तक लड़ते रहते हैं. And they make up their mind to achieve their aims in spite of all difficulties. So they used to make up their minds to achieve their aims in spite of all difficulties. So this is the end of your chapter. सारा question answer मतलब जो MCQ हम दे रहे हैं वो सभी अपने copies में उतार के रखना. Okay, thank you class.